working with Kim. We are making s'mores cupcakes. This is my friend's sister. My sister's gonna have me do it. Our first step is to put in our cupcake papers.
Okay.
So now let's put the pink one in. We have 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
Now what are you going to do with it?
We'll put it in the bowl so we can mix it up.
Okay, put your graham cracker crumbs in there. For our crust on our cupcakes, you don't put the bag in it. Be careful. There you go. Make sure they get in the bowl. Okay, now mix them in with the butter. Keep them in the bowl. Keep them in the bowl.
Now let's pull them each in.
Very well.
Gonna put graham crackers in the cupcake cups.
And then?
You put them
And
in
then
the
what?
oven for 50 degrees.
And then you smush them down.
We're gonna make cupcake batter.
First, what do you add? The cupcake mix.
The cupcake mix.
Okay, go ahead. Put the cupcake mix in the bowl.
Oh. Let's move it around. We're gonna make it in a pile, Mom.
Make sure you get it all in there. Alright, put that to the side. Oh,
Just a little piece. There we go.
okay, next we're going to add the...
Oil!
Okay, go ahead, put the oil in.
Well, it's got better pile.
And then what? What's after the oil?
Water. Water. Okay. What you want? This time what? It's gone.
Okay.
Now mix.
Go ahead, mix it up a little bit.
It's just the mix of it. Oh, she mixed it all back into it. Now we do the eggs.
Then we have to add 2. How many eggs?
2. 2. A little one that. Awesome! Look how good this looks already.
Okay, hold on. Don't. Alright, we're gonna do 1 egg.
Now mix it again, sister.
Go ahead, mix in that egg.
That's a weird egg. That's a weird egg.
Is it weird?
I'm just gonna squish it. At least that one's a little bit yolkier. That's a little bit more yolkier.
Okay, we're gonna mix those in there really good.
Yeah. I think I should do them all in the mix. Kid, want to help? It's getting a little bit tricky. I think you should help get all that oil in. This will be a lot more fast. That wasn't. We are going to put the chocolate of it in. Now we can do.
Yep, go ahead.
Come on, it's sticky.
Use your finger.
Put in all marshmallows.
Okay, ready? Go ahead. You just want to do a little squeeze of the marshmallow in there.
Like a little fart.
Gross.
Like a little.
And
Touch.
a little bit of marshmallow
That's it?
in
A little bit more. That's so
there.
funny.
Yeah. Next one.
Oh, the those will be so good. Those will be so good.
Don't squeeze down there. You want to squeeze from the top. Okay. Now stop squeezing.
Now a little bit. We're going to put the chocolate on top of the marshmallow. Get a little more. I'm going to do a little bit too. And then we are going to bake them for an hour.
How hot's the oven?
150 degrees. And we're gonna bake them for 150 degrees.
How much, Morgan?
150 degrees.
No.
What? I don't know.
300.